Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. In today's video, we'll be seeing two updates on the defense side. The first one is regarding the S-400 air defense system's capability to detect the Lockheed Martin F-16. The second one is regarding MiG-29 fighter jets performing night patrols near the India-China border. Now let's see the first news regarding the S-400. Indian defense would be very happy to know that S-400 air defense systems, which they would be very soon inducting from Russia, has something to celebrate for. To be more precise, the speciality about the S-400 which Indian defense would be happy is about its ability to detect the F-16 fighter jets. We know that India's neighbor country Pakistan owns around 70 plus Lockheed Martin F-16 fighter jets. They might be in an assumption that Russia's S-400, which India would be inducting very soon, doesn't have the capability to detect their jets. This capability was confirmed by Turkey with their tests in which the Turkish Air Force F-16 and F-4 fighter jets carried out low-level and high-altitude flying tests to check the capability of S-400 air defense systems. These tests were performed during end of previous year to check if the missile system could be tracked and searched in long range. Both 91 N6E surveillance and acquisition radar and the 96 L6E air search and acquisition radar working in tandem was able to detect the F-16 fighter jets successfully. The Turkey-owned S-400 system was used to validate the capability of the air defense system to detect friendly and enemy fighter jets. This output or confirmation of S-400 would be a really upsetting news for the Pakistani forces. They were actually counting on their F-16s to provide air superiority against the Indian Air Force in the region in case of a full-fledged war. With this confirmation, the Pakistani Air Force would be worried more since India would be very soon having the S-400 deployed at the borders, and these air defense systems can engage targets at a distance of 400 kilometers and at an altitude of 30 kilometers. Not only this, it can also track an aerial tanker or airborne warning and control system at a range of 600 kilometers and fighter-sized targets at 400 kilometers. According to the Indian defense sources, they claim that the long-range radars which comes with S-400 air defense system will ensure that all Pakistani Air Force jets, once airborne from the respective air bases, will be picked up by the radars of S-400. And this is due to the close proximity of all their forward bases of Pakistani Air Force. The S-400 will be able to engage up to 36 targets at a time and simultaneously launch 72 missiles. So that was an update regarding the first news on the defense side. Now coming to the other defense news, which is regarding the Indian Air Force MiG-29 fighter jets night flying capability. We know that MiG-29 fighter jets were getting upgraded with more advanced avionics and features. One among them is the night flying capability, which would be a game changer and which will strengthen the fighter's capability to conduct full spectrum operations at the line of actual control. The Indian Air Force MiG-29 UPG has been flying a similar sortie along the LAC, with its pilots having the helmet-mounted night vision goggles, which allows for the combination of both a direct visual and an intensified image to be presented to the pilot's eye. Fighters such as Sukhoi Su-30 MKI conduct night operations in the Leh and Ladakh regions, including the Boeing Apache helicopters. The pilots of the Apache choppers could be seen flying with their night vision goggles, which allows them to navigate through the mountain around the airbase and the dark nights. The Chinook helicopter with its high-tech gadgets and navigation aids is fully ready for 24/7 operations. The Indian Air Force MiG-29 fighter jets and Apache attack helicopter conducting the night sorties at the forward bases near India-China border to keep an eye over the line of actual control after the clashes between Indian and Chinese troops in the eastern Ladakh region of Galwan Valley. The Indian Air Force has raised the alert level in all its frontline bases tasked to keep an eye on the LAC which is the 3,500 kilometer border between the two nuclear powered countries. India and China have held several rounds of diplomatic and military talks in the last few weeks to ease the tension in this particular region. However, there was no visible sign of end to the standoff, though the two sides agreed to initiate disengagement of the forces from the region. So that was a quick update regarding two news on the defense side. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.